Abhishek Goenka now joins us on this conversation. Abhishek, tell us in the near policy term, which are the cues that you're watching out for as far as rupee is concerned? This week especially has been very volatile.
Yeah, I mean, if you look at the international factors like we were just mentioning, that across the Euro GBP and we have consistently seen close to a 4% decline. Even commodities like gold, crude has seen 4.5% decline. Only it's been the rupee over the last 1 month which had shown us an appreciation of 1% till 2 days back. Now again, I think it's also following the course of the international factors and it's heading towards a 61, which ideally it should at least be 61 when we have seen so much of dollar strength and so much of speculation in the market on the interest rates hike from the US. And of course, it's been holding on because of the factors you just mentioned in the stock markets and the debt equity investments, and little comfort on the Russia and Ukraine crisis and all that stuff. So I think on a short term, I think though the range of 60-61 still holds, a move towards the 61-30, 61-40 is still possible, looking at the global factors.
Abhishek, also to get your perspective on the Bloomberg survey, they have done a survey of top rupee strategists, and they're of the opinion that the earlier prediction for rupee was 62.3 for FY15. Now they predict it would be about 61 to a dollar by the end of 2015, largely on the fact that the external situation for the country is improving. Do you agree with the view that in the near term we will see rupee hovering around the 61 mark?
In a very short term, yeah, possible 61. So broad range is 60 to 62. But the survey I'm not very comfortable with because there are a lot of international factors which is going to be beyond our control. And 2015 is going to be an extremely eventful year because of the change in the monetary stance of the US and the Europe. So one side is going to be a printing, one side is going to be tapering. So you cannot say only because of the domestic factors that the flows will keep on coming in the way it is, and we are going to see a very, very stronger rupee or the rupee in the range, because the range has been holding for a year.
Okay.
And the markets are famous for volatility. So I don't think that we can be very, very assured of the 61 levels next year also.
Okay, thank you so much, Abhishek, for that perspective. So clearly, US monetary policy and Euro monetary policy to watch out for in the near term as far as policy direction is concerned.
Since you're talking on that, I was just looking at the chart on the terminal today. It is an interesting one, and if you have the terminal, you can just use the function NI chart, and you get an update which says that